Hey y'all, it's Adasa back with another video, and this one is gonna be really quick, y'all, because I already unboxed it yesterday, but I couldn't film yesterday. So we're gonna reenact a little bit of it today. So this is the dust bag, and I'm going to open it up to reveal. Do y'all see the snake skin already? I feel like I've gotten a couple of bags with snake skin lately. But anyway, y'all, look at this gorgeous bag. She is such a lady. Like, I love this silhouette. This is such a lady like silhouette. So this is the Coach Parker top handle 32. There's a Coach Parker top handle that's smaller than this. I'm not sure the centimeters, but this one is 32. So I got it in the black. It has a grained leather on top and a smooth leather at the bottom. And it has gorgeous gold hardware. Y'all know gold is my favorite. And the sides are like a burgundy color. And the Coach hang tag is the snake skin as well. And coming around to the back, you have the smooth leather and the grained leather. And what I really love about this bag is, well, the strap is snake skin as well, but can y'all see the chain and how these are C's that are like interlocked together? So I thought that was really neat. So yeah, the bottom is the burgundy as well, so they have some color blocking with this. But how gorgeous is this bag, y'all? I'm gonna dress this bag up. Like, that's what I want to do. Coach doesn't have any twillies or like little scarves on their website right now, so I don't know where I'm gonna find some of those. But like, look at how cute she is with just like a little bag charm. And then I have a Louis Vuitton bandeau right here, but I'm not gonna tie it on here or anything. But how cute would she look with like a little bandeau on it? Like, she would be so cute. But I'm gonna show you guys really quickly, just throw some things in here. It will fit whatever you need it to fit. This is definitely a workhorse bag, I would say. So I'm just gonna throw in a mini pochette. I'm gonna throw in a mask, my keys. This is literally a throw. I'm just dropping this in, y'all. My Gucci Dionysus coin purse. If you haven't seen the unboxing for this, go check it out. I have a video. My pocket organizer, little ponytail holder, and my phone I'm actually going to stick in the front pocket. So on the inside, yeah, you can see this is what the inside looks like. So this is the front. It has a little slip pocket here, and you can see there's so much room left, and there's a zipper pocket at the back. So I guess I should have shown y'all that before I started putting stuff in it. So let me take that out real quick so y'all can see what it looks like on the inside. Gorgeous burgundy color on the inside. So you can see the zip pocket at the back, and it just has the usual Coach story patch and everything in there. So now I'll throw everything back in here, because we're real on this channel, okay? That's how we don't organize our bags, okay? We just throw stuff in here. So I'm gonna close this up, and that is what she looks like. Let me put my bag charm back at the front because I like that. So that's what she looks like. You can kind of see, can you see the outline of the phone in the front? So maybe I won't put the phone in the front. Let me move the phone, because this is a smooth leather at the front, so I don't want it to stretch or anything. And you don't have to. Like I said, there's plenty of room in this bag. Okay, so yeah, that's better. You don't have the imprint of a phone or anything. But yeah, this bag is so ladylike and a little bit formal, but I mean, I'll wear her with anything because that's just how I do. I wear my bags with anything. I could have on basketball shorts and this bag. Don't try me, okay? But yeah, so thanks for letting me share my Coach Parker Top Handle 32 with y'all. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me over on Instagram at HP Life and Style. And I will see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching.